If you love creamy yam, this asaro is for you. Not watery, not too thick, just perfect. And the best part, it is simple, budget friendly, and ready in no time. Let me show you how I make mine. First, start by peeling your yam and potatoes, dice them in chunk size, and rinse them thoroughly. We don't want a sandy food. And you can even wash the yam and potatoes before peeling. It's your choice. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Grate some pepper, onion, and garlic. I'm using Scotch bonnet pepper. You can increase the pepper to your taste. Into a pot, add your yam first and add some water. Allow it to cook for about 5 to 10 minutes, depending on the nature of the yam. It is if it is dry yam, you allow it to cook for a bit longer. After some minutes, add your sweet potato, your pepper, onion, and garlic. Add some palm oil, add your salt and seasoning. Stir that well. I'm adding more water because the water I put initially will not be enough to cook the yam till soft. So you can skip that if the water you put initially will be enough. Use any protein of your choice. I'm using some smoked fish. Cover it and allow it to cook till the yam and potato is very soft. Our pottage is almost ready. So I'll be adding some vegetable. I'm using some ugu leaf, that's pumpkin leaf, and I'll be matching that to the consistency I want. You can do it to the consistency you want. So I hope this is easy and budget friendly for you to make. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one, and bye.